Sunset love, it is a river that drones a tender wing. Sunset love, it is a razor that leaves a soul to bleed. Sunset love, it is a hunger and endless aching need. I said love, it is a flower, and you, it's holy seed. It's the heart afraid of breaking that never learns to dance. It's the dream afraid of waking, but never takes a chance. It's the one who won't be taken, who cannot seem to keep, and a soul afraid of dying, but never learns to live. When the night has been too lonely,